Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to enable SSH in hosting a shared hosting. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your account and you will end up at your home page. Here you will see your hosting plan. On the right side, we have manage. Just click on this option. On the left side, we have so many options over here. Just click on advanced, and under advanced, we will find SSH Access. Click on this, and on the right side we can see that it's inactive right now, and we can just enable it by clicking on this option. It is unavailable now, and once it's enabled, you can see that we have some terminal numbers over here which we can use it for to see is it working or not. And we have our password over here because it will ask for password later on, and the password is the same which you have for your hostinger, so no need to worry. And the next thing you can do to check it out if it's working or not, just go to your CMD prompt, search for CMD, and here you are going to paste this over here and click on enter. Once you enter that, you can see that are you sure you want to continue connecting? You can go with this, yes, no, or fingerprint. I'm gonna go say yes, and then it will ask for the password. Once you enter the password and obviously once it log in, that means that you enabled the SSH access in Hostinger. That's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.